Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Alika Azara, NPM 234119090. Okay, here I will explain about psychological aspect in communication. Definition of psychological aspect in communication. Psychological aspect in communication refer to internal mental and emotional factors that influence how individuals send, receive, interpret, and respond to message. Communication is not merely the exchange of words or symbols, but a complex psychological process involving thought, feeling, attitude, motivation, and personality traits. Therefore, effective communication depends not only on the clarity of the message, but also on the psychological condition of both the sender and the receiver. Perception in communication. Perfection is the psychological process through which individuals select, organize, and interpret information received through their senses in communication. Perception play a crucial role in the determine how a message is understood. Different individuals may perceive the same message differently due to variation in past experiences, culture, and social background, values, beliefs and norms, emotional and psychological state. Differences in perception are not of the main cause of misunderstanding and miscommunication. Emotion and feeling. Emotion strongly influence communication behavior. Emotional states affect how messages are delivered, interpreted, and responded to. Positive emotion generally encourage openness and comprehension, while negative emotion can hinder understanding. The influence of emotion in communication includes positive emotion create supportive and constructive interaction. Negative emotions such as anger, anxiety, or sadness may distort message interpretation. Uncontrolled emotion often lead to ineffective or conflict-based communication. Managing emotion is essential for maintaining effective communication. Motivation in communication. Motivation refers to internal drivers that encourage individuals to communication for specific purpose. Every communication activity is guided by certain intention, whether consciously or unconsciously. Common communication motivation include sharing information or idea, influencing attitude and behavior, building and maintaining social relationship, expressing identity and self-concept. Clear motivation helps make communication more focused and goal-oriented. Attitude in communication. Attitude is an individual's tendency to respond positively or negatively toward a person, object, or situation. Attitude influences both message delivery and message reception. Component of attitude include cognitive component or belief and knowledge, affective component or feeling and emotion, behavioral component, or tendency to act. Positive attitude promote effective communication, while negative attitudes might create resistance and misunderstanding. Personality and communication style. Personality refer to stable patterns of behavior, tone, and emotion that characterize an individual. Personality significantly affect communication style. Example include extrovert individuals tend to be expressive, open, and talkative. Introvert individuals are often more reserved and thoughtful in communication. Assertive individual can express ideas confidently, will respect others. Understanding personality difference help improve personal communication. Empathy in communication. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feeling of others from their perspective. Empathy is a key psychological component of effective interpersonal communication. The role of empathy includes enhancing mutual understanding, reducing conflict and emotional tension, building trust and emotional closeness. Empathic communication allows individuals to feel heard, valued, and respected. Psychological barrier to communication. Psychological barriers are internal mental conditions that interfere with the communication process, causing message to be misunderstood or ignored. Psychological aspect in interpersonal and organizational communication. In interpersonal communication, psychological aspect determine the quality of relationship between individuals. In organizational setting, psychological factor influence teamwork, leadership, effectiveness, and organizational climate. Understanding psychological aspect help create healthy two-way communication, improve collaboration and productivity, reduce conflict and misunderstanding. Importance of understanding psychological aspect in communication. Awareness of psychological factor enables individuals to adapt their communication style to different situation and audience. This leads to more effective, persuasive, and meaningful communication in person, academic, and professional context. Conclusion. Psychological aspects play a vital role in the communication process. Perception, emotion, motivation, attitude, personality, empathy, and psychological barrier significantly affect how messages are conveyed and understood. Therefore, mastering this psychological aspect is essential for achieving effective communication and building positive relationship in everyday life and organization environment. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.